Hi everyone, welcome back to today's morning report. Charles Suppose is on Monday the 18th of January with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. Moving on to dollar yen, and again, Friday, massive sell-off, big reversal, wasn't it? Big on the day, 170, 180 ticks of reversal. Big move to the downside, and it pretty much hit that 116.46 level, which is that August spike low. Just missed it, a couple of pips, 3 pips. Now, zooming out, 115.35. Look at the level of support that is. If that gets broken, or 116.46 obviously is the first line of support. If that breaks, then 115.35, which is this massive sort of December. It's the December one, I think, as the big level to break to the downside on 2014. So if that gets broken, you've completed a massive top on dollar yen, and the bearish implications of that would be enormous, I think. So obviously we haven't got there yet. 16.46 is the current level of support, and that is holding, and that held on Friday and it's held again today. So what we have got is the prospect of a small double bottom. And if you look on the hourly chart, here we see this small double bottom. Friday's test, 16.49. Today's test, 16.55. Come on, crosshair. 16.55, thank you. So yeah, slight recovery today. Is it anything to get worked up about as for the bulls? I'm not entirely convinced yet, because obviously it's Martin Luther King Day, the States is off. So I wouldn't get too worked up. You're basically trading around this old resistance around 1720, 1730. It's sort of not broken above that yet in any serious way. The momentum indicator would suggest you're basically just unwound. Look at that RSI on the hourly again, up towards the sort of mid 50s area. Are the MACD lines going to roll over as well? So it's basically again just unwound to these moving averages. So it's not a recovery that I'm going to get worked up about yet. I think there's a lot more that needs to be done. Ideally, you'd certainly be looking out for the 1835 level, which is this reaction high that we saw in the middle of last week. If you see a move above that, then I think that's a turnaround potentially, confirmed on a move above 1875, which is the early January pivot. But I think for now, there is a lot still to be done, and as you can see on this chart, it's basically just bounced off the low. It's got more that needs to be done, and probably I'll talk about it again obviously tomorrow, and we'll see how it goes. But for now, I'd say that this is just a little bit of an unwinding move rather than the potential for a beginning of a base pattern. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.